Hey, it's Tom again. I'm going to go over a few more things on this ATS-20 Plus radio. One of the things is the display is actually clearer than what my camera is showing because my camera is focusing on this faceplate right here and the display is recessed a little bit. So it makes the display a little bit out of focus. So it's much clearer in real life. The other thing is it has RDS. So you can see right here, and it's kind of cryptic right now, in that second line up, it's where it's decoding the RDS data. It's also can receive in stereo. And when it's receiving in stereo, it puts stereo up there. And so you can attach some earbuds to listen to the music, in this case, in stereo. It does have a search function in FM. So if you quickly push the tuning knob, it will search to and find the next strongest station. The audio is excellent. I can't believe the audio. I'll turn it up for just a second because it is music. Okay, that's enough. There we go. Turn it way down. We don't get any trouble. So I just want to show you those additional features that it does have RDS, and it's, like I say, it's decoding information that I don't understand. I think it's something about the album, the name of the album. And like I say, the reception is excellent on FM. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.